Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Saraswati Education Group Bhadraju. This is our class 6th subject maths and exercise number is what? Exercise number is 5.2. Okay. Now what we have to do is in our previous video, this is our question number 4 and part C. In our previous video, I have given you this question or this part as your homework. And in this question, actually, what I have to do or what we have to do is listen. Question number 4. Our question number 4 to start with actually. Question number 4 is what part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing? What part of a revolution? What part of a revolution? What part of a revolution what part of a revolution have you turned? What part of a revolution have you turned? Revolution have you turned? What part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing? Have you turned through what part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing? If you stand facing, what part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing? Part C, part A and B I have solved for you in our previous video, and this is our part C. West and turn clockwise to face east. West, you are facing towards west and turn clockwise, means this way, to face east. Okay, west and turn clockwise to face east. You are facing towards west this way. You are facing towards this way and you turn this angle for facing what? For facing this east. Okay, if you are facing towards west and you turn, if you are facing towards west and you turn clockwise for facing what? For facing east. Okay, then by what angle you have turned? Then half of a revolution. Okay, what part of a revolution? So it is easily visual that this is our full revolution and we have turned only half. Okay, so our answer is what? Answer is half of our revolution. Half of our revolution is our answer. Okay, number 5 is what? चलिए ये आपका 4th क्वेश्चन हो चुका है। अभी मैं इसको कमेंट दे देता हूँ। 5th क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ता हूँ। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5.2 and our question number 5th is what? Exercise number 5.2 and our question number 5th is exercise number 5.2 question number 5th is find the number of right angles turned through by the R hand of a clock when it goes from. Find the number of okay T-U-R-N-E-D, turned through, turned through. Find the number of right angles. Find the number of right angles turned through by the R hand. Turned through by the R hand. By the R hand. By the R hand. Okay. What we have to find out is find the number of right angles. Find the number of right angles turned through by the R hand of find the number of right angles turned through by the R hand of a clock. Find the number of right angles. Find the number of right angles turned through by the R hand of a clock when it goes from from 3 to 6. Number B is what? B is 2 to 8. C is what? C is 5 to 11. Okay. C is what? C is 5 to 11. A is 3 to 6, B is 2 to 8, C is 5 to 11, D is 10 to 1. D is what? D is 10 to 1. Or D is 10 to 1. Okay, D is 10 to 1. E is 12 to 9. Or E is what? E is 12 to 9. F is what? F is 12 to 6. Okay. So what is our question actually? I hope it is clearly visible and clearly audible to you. Okay. So what is our question? Our question number 5th is what? Find the number of right angles. Find the number of right angles turned through by the R hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. Okay, if our R hand is going from 3 to 6, then how many, actually what we are asked is find the number of right angles. Okay, how many right angles a clock will move when it goes from 3 to 6. Okay, this is our clock. यहाँ लिखे हुए 12, जानते हैं ना क्लॉक तो देखिए, वरना देख लो, ये आपके रूम है ना, रूम की वॉल पे लगी हुई होगी, ये जहाँ भी है वॉल पे लगी रहती है ऐसी क्लॉक. ठीक, चलिए, दिस इज आर 3 एंड दैट्स व्हाट, दिस इज आर 9. ओके, clock starts from 3, goes 6, 9, 10. Okay, clock is starting from 3 and after that what? After that 6, after that 9, and in the end this is our plan. Good. चलिए, तो अपन देखो क्या करेंगे भाई, यहाँ पे ध्यान देंगे 3 to 6 है ना, 3 to 6 जाते हैं और ये दिया है फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ राइट एंगल्स turn through by the R hand. This is our, actually our clock has 3 hands. One, the smallest one is R hand, and the comparatively bigger is the minute hand, and the biggest one is the second hand. Second hand means seconds hands. Okay, seconds hand. Good. So what you have to do is listen. First, what we'll do, we have to move by what? We have to move by 90 degree. Okay, we have to move by 90 degree, and we have to find out how many angles of 90 degree we will move when we go from 3 to 6. So, and this is not given that find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from. Okay, the clock is always moves in this way. Okay, this way. 3. First the time is 3. After that time will be 4. After that 5, and after that 6. Okay. So clock will move in this way, and this angle is 90 degrees. This angle is of 90 degrees. This angle is of 90 degrees. So how many? Which part we have moved? We have moved by 90 degrees. We have moved by 90 degrees. Got it? Okay. So when we go from 6 to 9, so when we will go from 3 to 6, when we will go from 3 to 6, then we have to move by 90 degrees. Okay. Find the number of right angle turned through. Okay. So one right angle. Number of right angle is 1. Okay. So one right angle. One right angle. One right angle. One right angle. Okay. In this question from 2 to 8, from 2 to 8, when we move from 2 to 8, okay, this is 12, this is 6, this is 3, and that's 9. Okay, and we are moving from 2 to 12. This is 1, 2, this is 4, this is 5, here is 6, this is 8. Okay, 4 is over here, this is what, 10, this is 11. Okay, we are moving from 2 to 11. Okay, this is R2 and this is R8. This is R2 and this is 8. Okay, and it is clearly visible that this line is showing the perpendicular line. Okay, this is an angle of 90 degree. This is again an angle of 90 degree. So we are. It is clearly visible that we will move, or we will turn 2 right angles for reaching to 8 from 2. Okay, so our answer is 2 right angles. Our answer is 2 right angles. 2 right angles. 2 right angles. Our answer is what? Our answer is 2 right angles. Okay. From 5 to 11. From 5 to 11. Okay. This is 12. This is 6. This is 3, and this is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, from 5 to 11. This is our 5, and when we move towards 11, then this is our 11. Okay, then now also it is clearly visible that our clock is moving. We have to move. This is our first right angle, and this is second. So we have to move 2 right angles. We have to cross 2 right angles for going from 5 to 11. Good. So our answer is 2 right angles. 2 right angles. Our answer is what? Our answer is 2 right angles. Okay. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Now we go for our part D, or question number D. Okay, and what is D? We have to move from 10 to 1. We have to move from 10 and we will go to 1. From 10 to 1. Okay, this is our clock. And this is the center. This is this is 6, this is 3 6, this is 9. Okay, from 1 to this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 5, this is 7, this is 8, this is 10, and now 11. Okay, from 1 to 10, this is our 1, and we have to move actually to 10. Okay, from 1 to 10, this one. So it is here also it is clearly visible that this is two right angles. Okay, these are two angles. 1, 2, this is 3, and when we go from 1 to 10, then we have to move 3 right angles. Okay? So our answer is what? 3 right angles. 3 right angles. Our answer is 3 right angles. Okay. Now this is our part E, and what we have to do is in our part E from 12 to 9. From 12 to 9. Okay. This is the center of our clock. This is the center of our clock. This is 12, this is 3, this is 6, and this is 9. Okay. So 9 from 12 to 9. Okay. From 12 to 9. 12 to 9. We have to, this is our 12. Okay, and we have to go towards 9. This is our first right angle, second, and this is third. So we have to move 3 right angles. Again, our answer is 3. 3 right angles. Our answer is what? 3 right angles. 12 to 6. This is our clock. This is center. This is 12. This is 3, 6, and here is our 9. Okay. So what is there? From 12 to 6. This is 12. Okay. And this is 6. And we have to move 2 right angles while going from 12 to 6. Okay. So our answer is what? Here it is visible also. This is 1. This is 2. So our answer is 2 right angles. 2 right angles. Our answer is what? 2 right angles. Good. Okay, so these are our, how many are there? 6 parts. Just write down. Actually board is very congested. I don't want that whenever I will just rub this one and you will miss a single point. Okay, so keep writing each and every point and keep understanding also. Okay. Okay, in our part D, what we are given from 10 to 1. Actually, when I have calculated from 1 to 10, okay, by mistake. So, we will calculate from 10 to 1. So, whenever we go from 10, this is our center and this is our 10, and we have to move towards our 1. It is clearly that this way we will go, and how many are there? Only one. Okay, so one right angle. One right angle is our what answer? Okay, one right angle is our answer. Next one is all the parts. I hope you have understood very clearly. Okay. Now we'll go for our question number 6. So what is our number 6? कलाची वो फोन फ्री है क्या? फोन फ्री है क्या? Okay. Now next one is our question number 5th. तो आप इधर उधर क्यों घूम रहे हो क्या? 6th one is what? How many right angles do you make if you start facing? How many right angles? How many right angles? How many right angles? How many right angles do you make? How many right angles do you make? Number 6 is how many right angles do you make if you start facing? Do you make if you start facing? If you start facing. Okay, how many right angles? Question mark is not there. How many right angles? How many right angles do you make if you start facing? Our part A is what? Question number 6 and part A is south and turn clockwise to west. South and turn. South and turn clockwise. South and turn clockwise. South and turn clockwise to west. To west. Okay. This was our first part. Second part of part B is what? North and turn. North and turn. North and turn anti-clockwise to east. North and turn anti-clockwise to east. Anti-clockwise. Okay, what is there in our part B? North. Part B, north and turn anti-clockwise to east. Anti-clockwise to east. North and turn anti-clockwise to east. Okay, part C is west and turn to west. West and turn to west again. Okay. West and turn to west. West and turn to west. C is west and turn to west. Okay, D is what? D is south and turn to north. South and turn to north. And turn to south and turn to Part D is what? South. S-O-U-T-H. South. And turn to. D is what? South. And turn to north. South and turn to north. Okay. S-O-U-T-H. South and turn to north. Okay. Number 6 is how many right angles do you make if you start facing south and turn clockwise to west? Okay. If you start facing south and turn clockwise to west. Okay, actually, a number of questions I have solved of facing this side or facing that side. Okay, so this question I am giving you as a homework. Okay, this question is your homework. You have to just read out this one and you have to solve out this one. Okay, and after that, whenever after that in our next video, we will solve this question. Okay, and you have to match up which mistake you have done or by which method you have solved this question. Okay, so till then, bye bye.